Hello students, today I will teach you how to display the records from the MySQL database into JTable. Okay, thank you for watching this video and please subscribe to my channel Root 4M JTV. Let's go into the activities. Okay, fine. So look at this. I have a Java frame, pre-designed Java frame, have 5 fields and some few buttons: add button, search and update, and we have exit as well. So first I will design how to implement JTable. Okay, if you go to your tool sections, you can see lots of options. Under components you can find Java table. Just click it and don't drop just like that there. Okay, first you have to draw like this, otherwise you cannot able to see it properly. Okay, you can expand as you wish, so I just expanded. Now we have to configure this table usually have rows and columns, so that we have to make it. So go to under your property window, select model, and in this model you have to create number of columns and rows and give the name of the columns. Okay, rows is not required, the columns are most important. You know already here we have 5 fields we have, so 5 columns should be. So you can just click here 5 columns, and then look, if you want to change this column names, it's not possible directly. So for that purpose I'm increasing 1 row, and now if you click one by one you can change each column's name. Okay, first column name, in my case it is student ID. Second column name is name of the student. Third is subject 1. Fourth is subject 2. Fifth is subject 3. That's it. So it's not required to have now you can just delete also, doesn't matter, or you can have rows also, it doesn't matter. Okay, just I will not keep any rows so that you can see in the final how rows are created by itself, and click OK. Right, so then what you have to do is right click the JTable and select surround with Java scroll pan. The moment you click Java scroll pan, automatically you can see the field names. Okay, that means the column names which we have given right now. Then the moment the increment of all the records shows here, automatically the horizontal and vertical scroll bar will appear here. Okay, to fetch the record from the MySQL database, I need one button as well. So I just put a button here and name it as variable name, that is button 5. Already I have 4 numbers of buttons, so 5 buttons. 5th button I'm just mentioning. Okay, then give the name for the button. Fetch data. Okay, fine. Now the most important is you need one library file, and I will show you where is that file is and how to link. This is actually my Java class file. Under here I have references. As you can see here, already I have MySQL connector here. Similarly, to fetch the data from the MySQL database into JTable, you need one another library file called record set, that is rs2xml.jr. This one you can download from internet for free. Just type rs2xml in Google, and then the first link it will come. From there itself you can download directly. Now I will show you how to include this library file here. So go to your project. This is a project. Right click the project and click properties, and then click Java build path and click the tab libraries and click options here, add Java, external Java jar file and so on. So click add external Java, and then I stored somewhere here, and then click OK, that is open, and then it will come here, and then click apply and close. Okay, that's it. This is most important for fetching the records from the SQL. There are other ways as well to do that, but this is very simple way, so that's why I am using this for your purpose. Okay, now we have to go for coding. Before coding, let me increase the size of this button and make it bold, maybe 12. Okay, it's fine. Alright, double click this fetch data button and go here under action perform. You need some few things which already existed in the coding part. Look, always whenever you are connecting with the MySQL, so in the try block you will find same connections will be usable. Okay, so I'm just copying that and put here. Let me bring the cache block as well. Okay, let me take this catch block from here. Okay, okay, now we can write the important coding for fetching the record. Okay, and before that you need one import statement which is going to show you how to utilize the rs2 xml jar file. So this is the import statement. After import, net dot routine it dot sql dot db utils. Okay, so this db utils we will use in the program. So this one should be there. Through this only it can able to fetch the library file for the references. Okay, let me go to the coding area. Okay, here what you have to do is you have to give the SQL command. So start with string SQL that is equal to, what we are going to do, we are going to fetch the record from the table, from the database table. So select command should be used. Select all the tables records, right? I mean all the columns records. So use star from my table name is details. Okay, that's it. And you have to follow with prepared statement. And if you don't like to type, you can directly copy also. See here, copy and paste it here. And then again I need another code. You can fetch this code from here. Okay, record set, this is also one of the library. Record set, we have imported that statement already. Okay, right, this is also done. Now the most important, we have to refer the what is that, JTables name, variables name. Okay, so in my case I just kept it, let me find out. Okay, wait a minute. Okay, let me see what's the name of this. You can go here. We have surrounded with a scroll pan. Okay, so that is why it is not showing, but you can see inside that this is a table. So I am just keeping table itself as my name. So again go back here, let me paste the entire code with just I typed. Okay, now we have to refer that component. So table dot set model. Select that set model, and inside you have to refer. Earlier I mentioned db utils, that you have to refer it here. db utils dot, then you can select the first option, that is a result set to table model, and inside you have to refer rs is referred here, result set, and the query will be executing in the prepared statement, and it goes here and it will check what is the query exactly, and then the connection is already open, and that's it. Okay, all right then. Sometimes you need to give the one bracket here. Okay, if it is not there, you can give. So under catch block, what I have done here is I've given a message also first, something. So this one we need to remove. Let me put it to itself. Okay, because when you click that fetch data button, so it's, I think it's not required to get any messages. Okay, let me see how this is going to work. Click this. Okay, if I click directly, what's going to happen? Look, already I have stored some value and it fetched automatically. Okay, let me click add button. It says first enter the record. Okay, let me enter one record. Raj, Python programming, C sharp maybe, then Java, and click add. It says stored successfully, and again you click fetch data, it comes automatically. So this is how you can do, how to display the record sets from the MySQL database and to show into your JTable. Okay, when you click exit, it asks some question. Say yes, it will disappear. Okay, thanks for watching this video. See you in my next video, and please subscribe to my channel to see further more codings on Java and any other helps. Please leave your comments. Based on that, I will give you the models and I will teach you. Thank you.